What to do when someone dies, a step-by-step checklist. In this video, I will cover the practical steps to take when a parent or family relative has just passed away. Hi, I'm Charlotte from Property Saviour. I absolutely love property and I have been a landlady for over 5 years. It is terrible news and I'm so sorry to hear of your loss. If you have not done this already, you will need to call the deceased GP surgery, as they will be able to guide you on how to obtain a death certificate. If you know who the executor is, then you'll need to also inform them. You can also use the Tell Us Once service to inform all government departments about the death. I'll leave the link for you below. Please check that you won't need their passport later down the line before you cancel it. I've put together a comprehensive checklist for you on what to do within the first few weeks and months of a bereavement. I'll leave the link in the description below. Can you sell inherited property yourself? Property Saviour can offer you a fair market value for your property, saving you time and hassle of dealing with estate agents and their endless viewings. There's only one very discreet viewing. With an estate agent, they will overvalue your property and then reduce the price until a buyer is found. You'll soon become fed up with their constant excuses of tough market conditions, surveyors finding faults and buyers pulling out of the sale and price reductions. Even if you agree, there will be a frustrating wait to see if the mortgage offer will come through. If your potential buyer has seen a new development, they may change their mind after months of agony. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified when I upload more videos. Our team at Property Saviour are decisive. We will offer you on your property, usually within 48 hours. If you accept, we will then view and instruct solicitors. You can sell your property in its current condition and there's no need to pay for an expensive house clearance. There's no fault-finding survey and the price agreed is the price that you'll receive. Not all property buying companies are genuine cash buyers because our industry is unregulated. Our sellers describe us as honest, trustworthy and approachable in their reviews of our services. Unlike our competitors, we do not pay actors. Our reviews are left by real people just like you, and sellers have kindly given us their permission to share their success stories. By doing what we say we'll do, we hope that we also earn your review. Our offer is that what you will receive in your bank account. There are no deductions whatsoever. We will also pay £1,500 towards your legal fees. But you're welcome to use your own solicitor, as we are 100% transparent in our approach. It means that beneficiaries can spend their inheritance as their loved one would have intended. Make an inquiry today and let's talk about when you'd like the sale to complete. It can be as little as 10 days or quicker.